Hey guys, Richard here with Downgrid Survival. Here's the second video for today. If you missed my first video, I'm talking about the monkey business that's going on right now, and I'll throw a link to it up in the cards above, so you can go check that out. But this is a warning video. Okay, this is something you need to keep a close eye on this weekend and early next week. And if you haven't heard, the Supreme Court is expected to rule on Roe versus Wade. Okay, currently right now in the United States, for our international viewers, the federal government has said, you know, they allowed women to have the right to choose whether or not they want to have abortions, and they've allowed the individual states to make laws, and some states, unfortunately, they've got laws on the books that allow women to abort babies up until the day of birth. And then there are other states that are completely against it, right? Now, I don't have any shame in telling you I'm against abortion in most instances. It's just wrong, and it shouldn't take place. But that's just me upholding my Christian values, and I respect your values, and I hope you respect mine. But what's going on right now is the Supreme Court is expected to make a ruling on Monday whether or not that's going to stand, or if they're going to overturn it and say, yeah, no abortions, right? So that's significant, because a couple of weeks ago, a document was leaked that was showing that the Supreme Court's opinion at that point was going to be that this was going to be overturned. And it started causing a lot of riots and a lot of disruption. And actually, the Supreme Court justices had to go into well, I won't say go into hiding, but they were in protective custody. They had additional security. People were protesting outside their houses. And even members of our own government was encouraging people to protest outside the judges' houses to try to persuade them not to. Now that's a felony. That's against the law here in this country. You're not supposed to intimidate a judge or any members of a jury for any case, for any reason. And yet we have members of our federal government that is actually encouraging it because they want to be able to keep women's rights to choose. So all this is coming to a head. And you know, at this point, if it is in fact overturned as early as Monday, you can expect that there's going to be a lot of violence, because that's what people on the left do. When they don't get their way, they have a meltdown and they start burning down, right? So just as a warning to you, watch yourself this weekend, watch yourself this next week, and you know, just pay attention to what's going on, and if this gets overturned or not, you know, watch your six, because you may find yourself in a peaceful, calm situation one moment, and the next minute, you know, all heck is breaking loose. So I encourage you to just be aware of your surroundings, be aware of where you're at, stay strapped, and yeah, just watch out for yourself and your loved ones, and let's see how the week unfolds. So that's all I got to say about this. If you want to leave a comment down below, that's appreciated. I'd appreciate it if you'd smash that like button, because it helps this channel to get pushed out to more viewers, and you know, that's how this channel grows, and it's appreciated. But certainly leave a comment and let me know your thoughts, and we'll just go from there. Hey, I appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next video.